In a world where security is paramount, innovation makes all the difference. Guardwell Industries, in association with Kumahira, proudly introduces the future of safe deposit systems, robotic safe deposit lockers. This advanced system ensures multi-level security through secured card access. Enter your card PIN and select your locker number. From there, our state-of-the-art robotic system takes over. With Robotic SDL, accessing your locker is simple. Using intelligent scanning and precision movement, it identifies your locker's exact coordinates and retrieves it seamlessly. Within seconds, your locker is delivered to you, smooth, secure, and effortless. For enhanced protection, each locker is equipped with an integrated high-security locking system, allowing you to access your valuables comfortably in a private lounge environment. Once you're done, simply secure your locker with your master key and press exit. The robotic system will safely return your locker into a highly fortified vault, ensuring maximum protection at all times. Experience unmatched privacy, next-level security, and the freedom to access your valuables with ease. Step into the future of safe deposit lockers with Guardwell Industries.